Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to restore an old version of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log in to your Hostinger account and click on Websites. And next to the website that you want to restore to an old version, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and to restore it, simply hover over Save It or let's or Save it. But most of the time it shows Save It. Then to see this window, just like this, when you hover over Save, you see this window. Click on, as you see here, I have 26 backups available that I can restore to, and the latest backup is saved on this date. Now click on Manage Backups. You will see this new menu, and as you see, view and restore past versions of your published site. To create a backup, simply publish your site. How to do this? It's simple. Let's go back to the editor. When you click on this Update Website button, before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. To create a backup, simply publish your site. How to do this? It's simple. Let's go back to the editor. When you click on this Update Website button, this saves a copy of your website that you can restore to. So how to restore it? Hover over Save It, Manage Backups. And here you can check the, as you see here, just on this date, 13th of January, I have this multiple of backups that I can restore to. And this is, let's close this window. And this is because I was working heavily on my website. So when you click on a backup copy, you can see here the differences, for example, between this copy and between this copy and this copy. The difference is this button in the header. As you see here, it shows up. On this copy, it does not exist. So if I want to restore to this backup without the button, simply click on Restore Backup. As you see, latest changes to the website will be lost unless you publish it first. Click on Restore and wait a moment. Website backup restored. Now you can now continue to edit your site. When you're ready to go live, click on Update Website. Got it? Now, as you see, the website is restored successfully, and this is exactly the copy the backup copy I've selected. Now, to publish this restored copy, you need to click on this Update Website button. But before this, let's give my website a visit. As you see, online it still shows this button. But when I publish or when I update my website with the restored backup, now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And as you see, the new or the old backup is restored successfully. This is the newest backup, and this is the old backup. And this is how to restore a website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.